everyone, welcome back to Learn's Kitchen. Our blog for today is a tutorial on how to cut and prepare a chicken into 9-piece cuts KFC style for restaurant or home cooking.
Now we cut 9 pieces of chicken. Separate the thighs. Now separate the drumstick from the thigh. You have a line of fat here, just cut to this side of the line. There's your drumstick. Remember to put your finger down here to let the oil and the marinade get into the chicken. Just make a little hole there with it. That is your drumstick. And do the other one here. Again, keep left of this line of fat and cut. Just trim off any excess fat. Again, just put a little hole here. We have some dry blood here where the bone is, so we have to clean out this blood. Again, just clean off any excess fat we have on the chicken. Just clean off this here. That is your finished thigh. Just put a few puncture holes in it. And we have one bone here we need to put a little hole in it. Again, to make sure it's correctly. One thigh. We do the same here. Take off the dry blood here from the bone. Scrape it. That's okay. Again, just clean all excess fat and excess skin. That is your thigh number 2. Again, have the bone here. Just put your finger inside. Now take the top part of the chicken. We're going to cut this breast off here. Have a bone here, one bone here, and one bone here. Put your knife underneath this bone and underneath this bone here, and just follow the bone until the knife stops. Turn your knife like that, and one chop. That is the key, or the breast of the chicken. You trim off this excess here again. Again, just put a few small holes to let the marinade and the oil cook the chicken. That is the breast or the keel of the chicken. We will now cut the wings. One cut here and one here. You find the round here, the end of the bone here, and we're going to cut from here to here. Don't go in too far here, you take away too much on this cut. From the end of the bone here to this point here. Start your knife here and give one fold. Just trim off. And that is chicken wing. The same here. We make one cut here, one here, and we're going to cut from here to here. One cut here. Find the bone, find the end of the bone here, and cut from the end of the bone to here. Keep your fingers well back. One cut. Just trim off a little bit of excess skin here. And that is your second wing. We are now going to have two pieces of chicken here. We're going to cut either side of this bone here through the rib cage. Make one cut here and another one here. Follow that through and follow that through. We're now going to cut this one piece into two pieces. We cut here and we cut down here. Okay. One time, keep in the middle. Now we will trim this here. Take out some dry blood and fat. And that's it. Nice piece of chicken. Again, a few puncture holes for clipping and marinade. That little piece there. And the final piece again, have some dry blood here, just scrape it out. And again, we clean off all the excess fat and excess skin if we don't want. And that is 9 pieces of chicken you can sell in your restaurant or home cook.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you won't miss newly uploaded videos.